Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to earn passive income from the comfort of your home, today's video is exactly what you need. We're diving deep into how to make money selling digital printables using Canva even if you're a complete beginner. No graphic design experience, no problem. No product ideas, we'll fix that. Worried about where to sell? I got you. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your first printable, package it beautifully, and start selling online. Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Let's dive in. So what are digital printables? They're downloadable products people can print at home or use digitally. These include planners and journals, budget trackers, vision boards, coloring pages, wedding invitations, worksheets and study guides, wall art, stickers and labels. The best part? You create them once and sell them forever. Zero inventory, no shipping, all profit.
You don't need Photoshop or Illustrator. You need Canva. It's free, beginner-friendly, and packed with templates. Here's why Canva is the perfect design tool. Drag and drop interface, thousands of free fonts, elements, and graphics. Pre-made templates for planners, calendars, social media posts. Canva Pro gives you magic resize, premium elements, and brand kits. I recommend Canva Pro if you're serious about turning this into a business. It's just $12.99 a month and worth every penny. Let's get strategic. Not all printables are created equal. You need a niche that's high in demand, low in competition, or at least unique. Solves a specific problem. Hot niches to consider: productivity and planning, daily planners, habit trackers, finance, budget sheets, debt trackers, kids and education, coloring pages, worksheets, wedding and event invitations, checklists, mental health, journals, affirmation cards. Pro tip: visit Etsy or Creative Market, search for printable budget planner and filter by bestsellers. You see what's trending and what people actually buy. Next, brainstorm what your printable will include. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas. Write headings, affirmations, checklists. Generate templates or content outlines. Prompt example: give me 10 printable planner page ideas for busy moms. Bonus tip: feed ChatGPT your writing. Tone friendly, professional, sassy, whatever fits your brand. Let's design one together. We'll make a weekly meal planner. Open Canva, search A4 printable or planner page. Choose a template that fits your vibe. Customize it. Change text, fonts, and colors. Add cute icons, dividers, or illustrations. Make sure it's easy to use. Don't clutter it. Simplicity sells. Download as PDF print for printing or PNG for digital use. Save your file in a folder labeled ready to sell. Optional: create a product mockup using smart mockups or a Canva scene. You've got your printable, now let's sell it. Top platforms: Etsy, great for organic traffic. Stan Store, perfect for creators and link in bio selling. Gumroad, easy and free to start. Payhip, low fees and simple setup. I personally love Stan Store for its clean look, digital delivery system, and upsell features. Plus, it only takes minutes to set up a product page. When uploading your product, use a clear product title, for example, Printable Weekly Meal Planner for Busy Moms. Add 2-3 mock-up images. Write a compelling product description. What problem does it solve? Who is it for? What's included? Price it. Start at $5, $15. Offer bundles later for higher sales. Bonus tip: add a limited time discount or only 20 copies left to create urgency. You won't make sales by just posting and praying. You have to promote it. Free ways to promote: Instagram, post reels showing how your printable is used. TikTok, show your design process. Pinterest, upload pin graphics linking to your store. YouTube Shorts, share productivity tips and plug your printable. Email newsletter, offer freebies to build your list. Bonus strategies: use SEO friendly titles on Etsy and Pinterest. Offer free printables as lead magnets. Collaborate with other creators to cross promote. There you have it. You just learned what printables are, how to create them in Canva, how to sell them online, and most importantly, how to start earning money passively. Your action steps: choose your niche, brainstorm your first printable idea, create your design in Canva, upload and sell it. Start promoting. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start with one product and refine as you go. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want a step-by-step video on creating a planner or setting up stand store? Let me know. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell Tantia so you never miss a video about building your online income. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.